This is how you make a slime. G. Stand for go. And so G is after F. And also G is in my friend's name, Gael. So let's just get started. She's jumping. But this way, dear. Okay, I'm back from the living room. Got the scissors. It's okay. I'm 6 years old. But I won't hurt myself. I hurt myself sometimes. It doesn't hurt. But first step. Cut it. And like this. You can make the G any size. First you make this. Then the smaller part. I can go one by one. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 'Then you unwrap it. Now, how do you do this? It doesn't look like the letter G. Now what do you do with this? It does look like the letter G, but it doesn't look like this G. Crazy. And let me show you how it actually works. It's like that. It flies like that. And now, I'll put it in the smallest one in here. Yeah, but if you put the one which goes on, and then you put the second one on, and then you pull it back. With this once, and then put it back. Now each level, then I put it in. And you're inside a bedroom. Let's see. A bed. And another bed. I'm in a bedroom because it's nighttime. And we usually sleep at the night. So I got in the bedroom. Now